Welcome back to another video. Today we have 25% off any single item, 3 days only, Friday, January 1st through January 3rd at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make for 2 review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got Harbor Freight, new items on clearance. Get coupons inside Track Club. Okay, so we got 25% off any single item, 3 days only, Friday, January 1st through January 3rd. It says join today inside Track Club, so you can get the, I guess, so you can start Thursday, December 31st through January. Okay, so if you're in the Inside Track Club member, you can start Thursday, which is today, or tomorrow, actually, tomorrow, Thursday. So you can start then. If you're just a regular person that doesn't have that membership, you can start on Friday, January 1st, which I'm just going to wait till Friday because I'm not a member. So, alright, so this is the coupon. Make sure you guys take a screenshot, a picture, whatever you guys want to do. Take the cursor off here. So you got print coupon, coupon code 34772523. So feel free to use this coupon. It says, let's go over what it says here. Limit one coupon per customer per day. Save 25% on any single item purchased. Cannot be used with other discounts, coupons, or any following other items and brands. Inside your club membership, extended service plan, open box. So basically all the good stuff that, a lot of people say, all the good stuff, the power tools and all that stuff. But you know what, guys? There's a lot of stuff that you guys could get. Like, I'm gonna get the front. You can get the ladders. You can get a lot of the Pittsburgh stuff, like the tools, the sockets, the ratchets, the breaker bars, impact rated sockets, extensions, swivels, pliers, Quinn, Doyle. You can get a lot of stuff that's not mentioned here. I know a lot of guys say, oh, well, all the power tools are, well, not necessarily, because you could probably get Chicago Electric. Let's see here if we got Chicago Electric. You could still get that 25% off. So it does exclude all the floor jacks, power stations, safes, storage cabinets, chest, carts, trailers, welders, Admiral, Ames, Atlas, Avanti, Bauer, Central Machinery, Cobra, Cover Pro, Daytona, Diamondback. So there's a lot of stuff you can't use it. There's a lot of stuff you can. I do have a few videos out there that you could use this type of coupon. I'll see if I can link them up above. Make sure you guys watch all of them. So there's a lot of stuff where you can use that. So it's valid through 1/3/21. All right, you got instant savings here. You got all of the floor jacks from Harbor Freight are pretty solid. So on this one, you got this one on sale, 3-ton heavy duty rapid pump floor jack, $99.99. You want a basic jack, that's great for you. But you know what? If you have a truck, a tall truck, or a lowered vehicle, or you just want that leverage, you want to lift as maximum as you can, I would definitely go with the long reach jack. I do have the low profile. It's not the long reach, but it still lifts a little higher than just regular jack. If you guys haven't seen the review, it's on my channel, Daytona. Alright, this is 6,000 pound capacity, 3-ton heavy duty floor jack. Alright, next one we have is the 20-gallon McGraw compressor, 1.6 horsepower, 135 psi oil loop vertical, $164.99. And then this one's the 37-inch, 80-inch full motion TV wall mount, $39.99. So you can put up to an 80-inch TV and you can move it back and forth with this, $39.99, which is a great deal. You got the Badland XZR 12,000 pound SUV winch with remote control, automatic brake, So $2.99. It's definitely on sale. So definitely check this one out if you're into four-wheeling, or if you need one of these. You got the Warrior Titanium Bit Set 29 piece, $11.99. Get the Mechanics Tool Set 301 piece, $169.99. And these are on sale, guys. So you got the 44-inch by 22 double bank Israeli roller cabinets. Your choice of 6 colors, $449.99. These are great, solid boxes. These are the middle of the grade. These are your pro level or prosumer, not pro level. Prosumer, like like DIY to like you're doing a lot of projects at home, like with tools and stuff like that. This will work for you if you're a professional. Your steel can use these. These are great. Last you a long time there. Alright, you got the Pittsburgh Automotive 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane, $149.99. I do have the one that's the 3-ton, I believe. Yeah, I think it's the 3-ton. And that thing's been amazing. It still works all these years. I had it for a long time. It's even a different color because it used to be orange back then. So $149 for this one. 190 lumen magnetic slim bar working light. I do have this one. Works really well. I do a lot of inspections. Even if you're grilling out there, I just take this and stick it to the grill. This thing saved me so much. $24.99. It's a great light. Probably one of the better lights from Harbor Freight. Got a 900 peak jump starter and 12-volt packed USB LED work light, $59.99. You got a welding auto darkening helmet, $39.99. You got the 11 feet by 4 or 11 feet by 15 silver heavy duty reflector all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $14.99. I think I'm gonna pick up another one of these because I do have one. And I'm going to pick up another one, I think. It's, 11 by 15. Alright, you got the variable speed oscillating multi-tool, $24.99. If you don't want to get into a platform, you don't want to get into a battery operated platform. You just want something corded that will work when you put it on. This is the tool for you, oscillating tool. I got the Bauer 10 amp deep cup variable speed bandsaw with the case, $99.99. Got the combination ratcheting wrenches, 7-piece, $19. I do have this, works really well. I think they are really. I got the ones that are made in Taiwan. I know there's some that are made in China. There's some that are made in Taiwan. I got the ones that are made in Taiwan. They work really well. Really high quality. I wouldn't say they are professional grade tools. Then again, I'm saying that. However, you could use them as your professional grade tools. If you break one of these, you could just walk into Harbor Freight and walk out with the brand new one in less than 5 minutes and get back to work. That's one plus of buying tools at Harbor Freight, even if they're not professional level. I would say these are prosumer level, like middle of the grade. So you got Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case, $29.99, different colors. Got the Quantum 140 lumen rechargeable pen lights, $12.99. Got the 30,000 to 60,000 BTU 4-star propane portable heater, $89.99. You got the 3-ply disposable face mask 10-pack, $2.99. Got the pneumatic roller seats, $19.99. Alright. Yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. 25% off coupon. There's a lot of great videos out there that I have. I'll see if I can, like I said, link them up above for you guys to see. So just click up above and all the lists will drop. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.